Alright, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you are going to change the elevation of your site work. So in the other video I showed you how to create grass around your house. Well, some people would like to add elevation in their yard so it's not just a flat surface, and that's what I'm going to show you here. So you're going to go over to click on massing and site, and then you are going to click on the link that says top of surface. Just like before, I'm going to go ahead and start clicking around my shed here, and notice when I'm clicking the elevation is at 0. Okay, so if I want to start raising the elevation, I can now say, alright, I want it at 1 foot, so I can start clicking around. You can see that this line right here is where that's 0, and then anything on this side is now 1, and I can keep increasing it by a foot every time. So now this line is going to be 2. Okay, I don't have to go up by just 1. I can say, hey, maybe the next set is going to be 5, and it's going to go ahead and put in all the other lines for you. If by the end I want the highest part of my hill to be 10 feet, I'm going to go ahead and just type in 10. Remember before we changed the category, but I'll do that in a second. You're going to go ahead and hit finish surface. So now I have a hill over here that's 10 feet high at the top, that goes all the way down to 0 at the bottom. It doesn't kind of look like it from this view, but if I were to look at it from that flat view, you can see how this is actually a hill over here that raises up. If I kind of do this a little bit too, so you can see that there is the 0 is right here. If you want to change that to grass, you follow the other example, but I already did that, so I can go back into my materials and just change it quickly to grass. And so now I have a hill on the edge of my property.